Hi! In front of me is TECNO Spark 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Personalization. After that, scroll all the way down, tap on My Fonts, and select this plus at the top right corner. Now click on the best font style for you. I will go with maybe this one. Select download at the bottom, wait couple of seconds and hit apply. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default one, access personalization again. Scroll down and tap on My Fonts. This time though, tap on your default one right away and hit apply. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!